You're quite excited now. I have just found a painted lady butterfly, which is a migrant butterfly that comes in every year. But what a stunner. Just look at that. That is really pleasing, is that? Yeah, I shall record this because, as I say, it's a migrant. You do get an influx every year of this butterfly from the continent. Yeah, there it goes. So when you think that this has come from well, the Mediterranean area as a migrant, but stunning butterfly, and in very good condition. So yeah, so the painted lady butterfly. Yeah, in excellent condition. You can see the proboscis feeding in the knapweed. Can you see it? But look at the colours of the underwing there. The orange and black colourings of the butterfly. Yeah, really pleased with that because I don't often get these, but this is in remarkable condition. Remarkable condition. And it's certainly feeding up. It's gone into there. It certainly likes the knapweed. Right. Brilliant. Yeah, I shall catch you in the next video for more wildlife sightings in an urban area, because this is an urban area. So it just shows you what you can find. And I'll leave you with that stunning painted lady butterfly. Thanks for watching. Bye.